Have you ever wondered why Arby's is known for having the meats? Today, we're exploring the rich history of how this Ohio-born chain became synonymous with meaty sandwiches. Arby's was founded in Boardman, Ohio, and has been offering thinly sliced beef since the beginning. Their classic roast beef sandwiches have remained a staple on their menu for decades. One of Arby's most iconic commercials is "We Have the Meats," which showcases the brand's pride in its meat offerings. This campaign has helped solidify their reputation for high-quality beef. In a surprising move, Arby's recently reintroduced the classic roast beef sandwiches at an affordable price point. This offer brings back a fan favorite that hasn't been available in over 30 years. Although Arby's is primarily known for its roast beef, they've expanded their menu to include other meat offerings. For example, there's a secret menu sandwich that includes 9 different kinds of meat. Despite focusing on beef, Arby's has ventured into new territory by introducing its first-ever burger. This move shows the brand's commitment to staying relevant and innovative while maintaining its meat-centric identity. From their humble beginnings in Ohio to becoming a national fast food chain, Arby's has consistently emphasized the quality and variety of meats in its offerings. This focus is what continues to attract customers today. So there you have it, a deep dive into why Arby's has the meats. What surprised you most about Arby's? Meat? Legacy? Let me know in the comments below.